The accelerating transformation of the Iraqi dinar and economy Iraq is currently experiencing a remarkable period of economic transformation. At the center of this shift are significant developments surrounding the Iraqi dinar and its exchange rate. Among the most notable is the potential adjustment of the dinar exchange rate to 1,000 dinars per US dollar, followed by the removal of 3 zeros from the currency. This monumental change could pave the way for the dinar to achieve parity with the US dollar, marking a historic milestone for the nation's monetary system. Once floated at this rate, the dinar's value will be governed by market dynamics, fluctuating with trading activity and global demand. Key factors driving the transformation: increasing dollarization. A driving force behind Iraq's economic shift is the increasing dollarization of its economy, reflecting efforts to integrate Iraq into the global financial system. However, this process is accompanied by widespread misconceptions, particularly the myth of contract rates. Debunking the contract rate myth. One of the most persistent myths in discussions about the Iraqi dinar is the concept of contract rates. Some claim that individuals who purchased dinars through private contracts before 2011 might receive preferential exchange rates. However, there is no evidence to support these assertions. Contract rates, if they exist, would be privately negotiated and not offered by banks or official institutions. For the average investor, the idea of accessing a special rate is unfounded. Without legally binding agreements, all transactions adhere to the law of one price, ensuring a standardized exchange rate with minimal differences due to banking fees, typically around 2%. Foundations of economic stability. Years of preparation. Iraq's progress toward an adjusted exchange rate is the result of years of effort. Achieving security and economic stability has been crucial. Prominent figures like Dr. Sinan al-Shabibi, former governor of the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, and support from the US Treasury have been instrumental in stabilizing the dinar's value. A significant milestone in this journey was the replacement of daily currency auctions with a remittance system. This shift aligns Iraq's banking operations with international standards, signaling its readiness for global integration. The inevitability of exchange rate adjustment. The current exchange rate of 1,310 dinars per US dollar has remained unchanged for over a year, suggesting that this is part of a strategic delay. Iraq appears to be preparing for a bold move to align its currency with global standards. This adjustment could boost investor confidence, attract foreign investment, and enhance Iraq's position in the global economy. Legislative and infrastructure reforms. Legislative support. Iraq's government is actively working to support economic reforms through legislation. Recently, the Iraqi House of Representatives completed the second reading of an amendment to the Federal General Budget Law for 2023 to 2025. These discussions are laying the groundwork for economic reforms, including potential exchange rate adjustments. Infrastructure development. Iraq's infrastructure projects symbolize its economic modernization. Two key projects, the Central Bank of Iraq Tower and the Grand 4 Port, highlight this transformation. The Central Bank Tower, nearing completion, reflects Iraq's financial modernization. Once operational, it will strengthen Iraq's banking sector and enhance its integration into global markets. Similarly, the Grand 4 Port is poised to become a major hub for regional trade and logistics, positioning Iraq as a key player in the global economy. Political challenges and stability. Hydrocarbon law amendment. Despite significant progress, Iraq faces political challenges. The amendment to Article 12 of the Hydrocarbon Law, which governs regional oil revenue distribution, remains a contentious issue. However, recent advancements, including the second reading of the draft law, signal progress. Resolving these disputes is critical for fostering political stability and equitable economic growth. Focus on stability. The Central Bank of Iraq has emphasized stability as a cornerstone of its monetary policy. By carefully implementing reforms, Iraq is minimizing risks and maximizing potential benefits. This stability is essential for attracting investment and promoting long-term economic growth. Global integration and economic impact. Iraq's reforms are part of a broader effort to integrate into the global financial system. Aligning its monetary policies with international standards positions Iraq as an attractive destination for foreign investment. Beyond economic growth, this integration enhances Iraq's geopolitical standing and fosters opportunities for international collaboration. Conclusion: Iraq stands at a pivotal moment in its economic history. The anticipated shift in the Iraqi dinar's exchange rate and the accompanying reforms represent a bold step toward modernization and global integration. While challenges remain, the progress achieved thus far highlights Iraq's resilience and ambition. From infrastructure projects to legislative reforms, Iraq is laying the foundation for a brighter future. As these changes take shape, the world will be watching closely. This economic revolution could unlock opportunities for growth, investment, and collaboration, reshaping Iraq's economy and its place in the global arena.